Hey everyone, Stephanie here. Just wanted to go over a session of InstaSculpting. So here you kind of see me starting with the cavitation first, and you can see that I move in circular motions. It's very nice. It's very relaxing. A lot of people tend to fall asleep to this. And it's all you're going to feel is a buzzing, and the buzz tends to go in through the body and out through the ears. Very normal type of sensations, nothing to feel any concern or worry. And then now you see me doing the actual bipolar radio frequency. And what this is doing is that the red light is burning the fat cells. And I'm also now starting to frame the body with the actual suction of that device. So that device is sucking the skin and creating some type of formation that we're doing there. And the next one you see here is going to be your radio frequency. And this here tightens the skin, brings collagen back to that area, tightens any loose ends and things like that. So if you have stretch marks, this is wonderful for that. And the feeling of this one here is really just some warmness. So I'm moving quite quickly when I'm doing this, just because the probes tend to get pretty warm. So we don't want to leave it directly on the body. It's a very nice sensation in general. Most people do fall asleep when they're doing this. And again, cavitation is non-invasive. It is, something you can come in, get done, and walk right out the door. I hope you enjoyed this video and gave you a little insight on how we work on our cavitation InstaSculpting machine. Thank you.